What up, party people? It's 6 in the morning. I took the fam with me. We chasing the icon of the sea as it docks today in the port of Miami. Ignore that a little bit so I don't get copywritten on my own shit. Yes. We're on the highway. About to get to South Point Park. Yeah. Yo, party people. What's up, y'all? We are here currently chasing the icon of the sea by Royal Caribbean. As you can see, it is parked behind me at the port of Miami. A little bit of information about the ship. It is the biggest cruise ship in the world currently. It has over 20 decks, 2,350 crew members, 2,805 rooms. It holds 5,610 guests with over 40 places to eat and drink. It is 159 feet wide, 1,196 feet long. This thing is 5 times bigger than the Titanic. We had to come out and check it out for ourselves. This thing is massive, and it is home here in Miami, at the port of Miami, where it does a 7-day trip around the Caribbean. So we will be seeing it here more often. I got some cool shots on the drone. Thank y'all. I got Angelica with me. We woke up at 6 in the morning. We got out here. We're doing this damn thing. Peace.
Let's see here. Oh. That thing was quick. Oh my goodness. You need to walk with it.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you ever